What's up, guys? Today we're making another Bob's Burgers, but dairy-free and gluten-free, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by making our barbecue sauce. So we're going to take our tomato paste, and then I used a bacon, like pepper jam, and then gluten-free tamari, apple juice, and Worcestershire sauce. And just put all of that in there and mix it all up. And we're just going to have that on medium-high heat. And we're going to let that sit and simmer for 5 minutes after it's all mixed together, because that's going to make it really thicken up. So it's going to look like this. Once it's thickened, we're going to add our ground ginger and then mix it up and let that simmer for another 3 minutes on medium-high heat. And then as you can see here, we've got a nice thick consistency, which was so delicious. So now we're just going to plate it. So I have a recipe on the website and on YouTube for these paleo burger buns. And then we're going to put our barbecue sauce on there. And then I always make my burger patties in the air fryer for 8 minutes at 350 degrees. But you can cook your burger patties however you want. And then I also bake my bacon in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And that's just the way that I like to do it. But we're going to add our patty, our bacon, our lettuce, and then top it off. Bon appetit, y'all.